Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me at Ikea in Milton Keynes, where we'll be flying over, but also we'll be flying over a nearby lake, and somewhere out that way is Stadium MK. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and fly over it. Obviously we didn't have much luck at Norwich City's ground. There's a blocker on it. Now I don't know if they got a blocker or not. There's no restrictions for flight over the stadium, so we can actually go there, but we will see if it lets us. But back to you soon. Bye bye for now. Right, we're back. We took the Mini 2 SE up because obviously it's highly populated and lots of buildings around there, so we didn't want to use the large one. Right, we managed to fly over Ikea. It's hidden by the trees. Wasn't when it was up there. Solar panels galore on top of there. Fantastic. That must be producing their energy and an energy for many other places, I thought. And then, although it is over there, trust me, if you looked at the video, you'd have seen it. Ikea Stadium MK. Yes, they have got a blocker on the stadiums, but we managed to get some footage before we lost the signal and it started to come back to me, but we then didn't give up. 2 more times we attempted, so we have got some footage, and also we went over the lake as well. Right, okay, hope you enjoyed that footage. Not in my normal neck of the woods, I know, but just here, day out shopping, etc. So, like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.